A very warm welcome to all of you. Myself, Miss Razia, your English teacher. In today's video, student, I am going to explain you the paper pattern as well as the portion related to your final exam. So before I start it, I want all of you to take out your English notebook and be ready with your pen. The image flashed on your mobile phone is the portion and the paper pattern for your second semester exam. Student, now don't write it, first listen what I explain you and then I'll send you the screenshot of this portion as well as the paper pattern. Now this semester exam is total 50 marks. In the 15 marks, it contains the following lesson. Lesson number 4.2, Revolutionary Steps in Surgery. Lesson number 4.4, Ramanujan. Poem number 4.1, The Vet. Poem number 4.3, The Bees. So these 4 lessons as well as poem is going to come in your second semester exam. Here is the grammar topic which is down. These all grammar topics are there in your exam. Number 1, pick out infinitive. Number 2, identify adjective. Number 3, compound words. Number 4, kinds of sentence. Number 5, model auxiliary. Number 6, subject and predicates. Number 7, make it negative. Number 8, tense. Number 9, change the voice. Number 10, question tag. Last but not the least, the figure of speech. So these are all the topics which already we have done, which already videos are sent to you. But still in the next video, means on Wednesday, I will take a short sentences and explain this grammar topic once again for the recap purpose. Here above you can see a paper pattern which contain 50 marks. In that, question number 1 is do as direct. Do as direct means grammar. The topics which I have read down, those topics only are going to come in do as direct, 8 marks. Do as direct again for 2 marks, means total 10 marks grammar came. Question number 2A is scene passage, 10 marks. Question number 2, again scene passage, it's for 10 marks. Question number 3, if you see, it's an unseen passage. Unseen passage means the passage which is not from your textbook, it's from outside. It contains 10 marks. Question number 3B is scene poem, 5 marks. And question number 4A is appreciation of the poem, that is 5 marks. So if you see, it's overall 50 marks contained. Now, in today's video, student, I am going to explain you how to read the unseen passage and try to solve the question of it. So here is one example I have taken for unseen passage. Now this is the passage which is flashed on your mobile screen. Here is see the passage. I read the passage for you and in short I'll explain you what is there in this passage. We have a hibiscus plant in our garden. Every fortnight, a flower blooms on it, big, bright and tender. Through the day, it smiles with the sun and dances with the wind. But as evening approaches, it starts wilting. The morning after, it withered completely, and by evening, it falls and becomes one with the earth again. The flower comes to life only for a day, yet it does so in full splendor. What if we too lived our life, however short, to its fullest? So in this first paragraph, here the writer, whoever the writer is, has given an example of hibiscus plant. Hibiscus means one red color flower is there, big one. So that flower always grows आफ्टर 14 डेज 14 डेज के बाद ही वो फ्लावर ग्रो होता है, एवरी 14 डेज. and it is a big, bright and tender, soft one. uh, and that flower, it only has a life long of 1 day. वो flower की life क्या है, एक ही दिन की life है. So for that 1 day, the flowers smile, dance, and wave with the winds. Winds के साथ dance करता है सब. And in the morning it is very fleshed and bloom. But as the evening approach, जैसे evening आता है, it start wilting. Wilting here means drying. And at the end of the day, it's totally withered. Means wilting, means totally became dry, and the next day it falls down and mix with the earth. So this is what been explained in the first paragraph. So here, with the help of that flower, the writer is explaining us that our life is also very short. We don't know when our life is going to end. हमारी life कब end होने वाली है? We don't know. We don't know who's going to survive along or who's is going to die early. We don't know what is going to happen the next moment, but we should live our life fullest and enjoy our life like the flower. This is what explained in the first paragraph. In the second paragraph, we went to a rocky beach and saw the splendor of the majestic ocean and the rock alongside, carved, sculpted and shaped by the water. Water is so gentle, rock so hard, yet as the water flow over its every day for year, the rocks gives in. It takes the shape that the water commands. Our problems are so colossal and we are so small, yet if we persist. Here another example the writer has given. The writer has given the example of a rocky beach. So if you have went in the beach side, you must have seen a big rocks. Rocks means stone here, big stones. And every time the water which hits the rock, वो water क्या करता है? And you know water is very soft and gentle. Water बहुत soft है. Every time the waves of the water comes and hit the rock. हर बार waves आता है और water rock को क्या करता है? Hit करता है. But the rock is so hard. But what the rock does, it quietly takes the water in it. जो water उसके ऊपर आता है, rocks absorb the water. Rock takes the shape of the water and quietly follow what water says. Water जैसा कहता है, rocks वैसा follow करता है. Even though here the example has given that the rock is so hard. Rock दिखने में कितना hard है, कितना tough है. But what it does, it listens to the command of water. जो water order करता है, water उसके ऊपर waves आता है, it listen to that water, it take the shape of the water. Same way our problems are colossal. Colossal means big, huge. हमें लगता है कि हमारे problems बहुत huge है, बहुत बड़े हैं, but we are so small और हम बहुत छोटे हैं उसको solve करने के लिए. But yet we should not lose hope. हमें हिम्मत नहीं हारनी चाहिए like the rock, like the water. The water, if the water will think that rock is so hard, I cannot change the shape of the water. If the water thinks like that way, it never change. But continuously the water is hitting the rock. जो water है वो rock को continuous hit करता है. And finally, what the rock does? Rock take the shape of the water. How the water had continuously hit, that shape the water takes. Same way, if we keep on trying to solve our problem, all our big problems will come to an end and we finally get a solution. So this was the second example the writer has given. The third, let's see the third paragraph. We saw small bits of grass peeping through the small cracks in a concrete pavement. It left us thinking, however impossible things may look, it is always an opening. So here another example is given by the writer is a grass which is peeping out of the concrete road. So you must have seen a road which is made up of concrete cements. From that, if there is a crack, अगर उसमें crack हुआ तो one small grass grow in that crack. And what that grass does, it tried to look outside, it tried to come outside. So here the writer wants to say us that how the grass is growing in the tough place and try to come up. Same way every difficult things has an opening. Every impossible thing has a solution. The impossible word always come with I am possible, if you see. So you should not take tension of your problem. So this is the passage is there which I had explained you just now. If you see in the top, there is a question given. Rewrite the following sentence in proper sequence. Proper sequence means there are 4 sentences are given. which you have to arrange in order. Proper sequence means which comes first you have to write first, which comes second you have to write second. Just now I had explained you the paragraph. Now let's see what it is. Let's see the sentences and we understand that which sentence comes the first. It start wilting. Though the day it smiled with the sun, it withered completely. Every fortnight a flower bloom. So children, which sentences will come first? See the paragraph and tell me. It start wilting? No. Through the day it smile with the sun, it withered completely. What will come? Yes. Through the day it smile with the sun. That will come first. Then what is the next? Every fortnight a flower blooms. That is the second one. What will be the third one? Yet it start wilting. And what is the fourth one? It withered completely. That is the answer of it. See the second one. Our problems are, how are problems? Can you find it out? Yes, our problems are so colossal and we are so small. Our problems are very huge, but so we are small, and yet we keep on trying it. That is what you have to write it. However impossible things may look, see here it is, however impossible things may look, there is always an opening. Correct. You have to write the answers. In this way only you have to solve the unseen passage by looking into the paragraph. Here is the mix and match the pair is there, which you have to match it out. Drying and dropping, huge, massive, grandeur, firm belief. So what is the answer you will read? Drying means? Yes, wilting. Huge and massive means? Yes, colossal. Grandeur means splendor, huge. Firm belief means conviction. So this is your answer. Here is the grammar question is there. We went to the rocky beach and saw a spread of majestic ocean. So now here this is the sentence is there, beginning with after going to. Now you have to begin this sentence. आपको ये सेंटेंस स्टार्ट करना है आफ्टर गोइंग टू. आपको स्टार्टिंग में आफ्टर गोइंग टू लगाना है. सो वी वेंट to the rocky beach. So instead of that we will write after going to. We went निकल जाएगा. We will remove the we went and write after going to the rocky beach. We and की जगह पे आप क्या लिखोगे? We saw the spread of the majestic ocean. In this way you have to write the answer. We have hibiscus plant in our garden. The underlined part, a hibiscus plant is your answer. You have to form a question. आपको क्वेश्चन बनाना है इसका. So question you always make with WHT, what, how, who, did. इससे question बनता है. So in this way you have to make a question, and for that question which is the answer, hibiscus plant. Here it is given. Which plant do, this is all the answers I have given you. See children, this is all the question and this is with the answer I have said you. As we said na, see here we have written completely. So this is are the answers which is there in this. Now which plants do we have in our garden? This is the question we made. So what is the answer? A hibiscus plant. Now what role does nature play in your life? आपको nature आपकी life में क्या role play करता है? This is a personal response which contain 2 marks. You have to write by yourself. Nature क्या करता है आपको? Yes, nature help us. Nature makes me feel relaxed, soothe us. It makes me feel calm. Whenever I am in a tension, I just go out and feel myself relaxed in a garden. So that is a nature. So here I had given you answer of that. This is the nature answer which you have to write in your notebook. So this is, I have given you one passage as the question answer is there, as well as the answer also I had given you of this passage in this video itself. So this is the way you have to read the unseen passage and solve the passage. Now student, one more passage I am giving you for your practice. Now this is the another passage is there which you have to read the passage, look the following question answers, and after reading the passage find the question answers of this passage. Now this is the question, complete the verb. Synonyms means same word. Now the same word you have to find from the passage, same word. The ability to do something difficult for a long time, formed or worked, brief, likely to make someone believe something that is not true. So this meaning you have to find from this passage. One passage, one unseen passage, I had explained you how to solve it. Now this is the second one which I am giving you as a homework. So these are the question of it. You have to write it down in your notebook. So the first passage also you have to write it down in your notebook with the question and answer. The paper pattern also you have to write it down in your English notebook. Plus this second passage, this also you have to note it down in your English notebook. All this thing you have to note it down in your English notebook and WhatsApp me today itself before 6 p.m. Student, start your studies as the exam is online, but still you keep yourself update, because now you are in 8th standard and now you will move on to the 9th standard, which is very tough. So try to solve it without copying. Try to solve this passage, okay children? And in the next video I will explain you the grammar topic. Already I had explained you the grammar topics. I have sent you video, but still I will take two example of that top of sentences and I will explain you the grammar topic. Students, stay home, stay safe and complete all your notes. And thank you for watching this video.